best that you never had. I'm the best that you never had. Yeah. My little baby.
Hey, it's Daisha.
Hey, it's Ayanna, and this is DaniLeigh. So today we have some very special guests. This is our closest group of friends, and we're just gonna let them introduce themselves. Starting here.
Hi, I'm Laura.
What's poppin'? Hi.
I'm CJ.
Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing a spooky, spicy mukbang noodle challenge. And we're gonna do a Q&A where we're gonna everybody eat up. And the first question,
That's too small.
Shut up.
Okay, so the first question I want everybody to think about is basically, as we get into this Halloween season, it's cuffing season right here, and most of us is single, for some, this girl right here. So we just want to talk about how do you feel about being single in this cold weather, and how is the relationships looking so far? Alright, so we're gonna start over here, then work our way.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's too big. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my eye.
Is
it the spicy noodles?
Alright.
I got the spicy sauce in my eye.
What's the question?
Okay.
How are your relationships looking right now? Any prospects?
No.
So like, no,
I'm chilling. But you know, if anybody who watches this video wanna like
Hit her up.
hit me up, I wouldn't be like I wouldn't say no to that.
Okay, so how I feel about this cold weather season is, you know, your girl is looking. Cause you know, it's cold and I wanna get warm.
That's what you got blankets for.
What?
You right.
Okay, well, here's the gag. I've never been in a relationship, and no one has ever expressed wanting a relationship with me during this season, so I honestly don't know any of that. So I'm gonna pass the question to CJ.
I mean, you have a person to cuddle with. I mean, they keep you warm, so it's good. I mean, I don't got no complaints.
So basically, how I'm feeling right now, I'm going up.
For sugar daddy, guys.
Sugar daddies out there. Take a daddies.
I'm dead.
What do y'all hate that guys do?
Yeah, we
So
know.
many things. So many things.
I hate
Start
clingy
off.
guys.
Clean guys. Ooh, oh my god, bro.
Because I'm like my glass is fire.
Wait a minute.
What's happening?
But it's not gonna be like.
You might hurt me, come sit right down so we can get it. Ooh, this is.
I hate guys that don't admit they wrong, but they know they wrong, but it's like they don't want to admit it.
It's like, come on, bro. Come on. Just, girls are always right. I'm just gonna let y'all know, girls are always right. And the guy will swear that he's right, but he's wrong. I tell you.
He know he's wrong, but he's still trying to make it right. I'm like, no.
Yep.
So I'm like,
And try to flip it on you.
exactly.
Ooh, they really do.
I'm like, I know I'm not crazy.
Okay, anyway, but yeah, guys be lying. Like, I feel like honesty is the best policy because, like, if you just want to hold around, bro, just tell me that that's what you want to do so I can know and, like, make my plans accordingly. Why you finna lie and say that you like me, but you really just playing, you know? Like, be straight up because you can't be over here capping. You know? Oh, next thing I hate that guys do, they be trying to flex, bro. They be trying to front. Like, just be yourself.
Oh yeah, I hate that. I hate that so much. I hate
Like,
that
we can
so
tell,
much.
like, when you're flexing.
When you
it's
be
like,
phony, like when you trying to act like you somebody that you not, it's just so annoying and it just turns me all the way off. Like that's so unattractive. Just be yourself. If yourself is like that,
That's
sorry.
Y'all remember my stalker?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
yeah, we remember
I
this
had a
out
dude who would not stop texting me. He
and
would
she
be call-
changed numbers.
She blocked him like 5. I blocked him.
She doesn't remember what he looks like, and I kept telling her he's cute, he's all right, and then I started forgetting.
Sorry, got clarity.
The lesson is ghosting is bad. I admit that. But also, if she doesn't want to text you, give me a hint.
I'm saying no, and that gives
Yeah,
another
no, that's
thing.
the thing though. Like, how are you that dense that you're just like, I'm texting this girl a shit ton of times
She blocked
a day,
me.
and I'm not getting a
Multiple
response. Like,
If somebody
get a
blocks
hint.
me, oh.
Get a hint.
No, that's my other thing that I hate about guys. Like like they say, you could be persistent because I like persistent dudes. Especially, like, let's just say the dude not that cute. If he persistent, like, you gonna get me. But
It depends on the guy.
true.
No, if you're
But you can't be
persistent,
stalkery, persistent, like,
No.
bro, know the difference.
There's a fine line between clingy and persistent.
No, if you come up to me 9 times out of 10, I don't want to talk to you.
Why?
It makes me uncomfortable.
So you just
Like any guy who like takes interest in me, I'm just like, that's fucking weird. If you hate my guts, I can get with that. Like if you're really mean to me, I like that.
If you're mean to me, I'm not going to.
Yeah, like you can't be the type of guy that's just like, oh my god, you're so beautiful.
Oh, I hate that. I hate that shit.
It's like that's
I hate
so
that.
It's
weird.
low key like the catch. Like they can be like all into you, because then it's like you will be like turned off.
Girls want what they can't have, and I swear that's so
Yeah.
true. That is so true. So if you too pushy,
Yeah,
she not
like
gonna
that's
like you
not
like that.
that's not it.
What do we like about them?
Yeah.
Or like what we like that they do?
I'm feeling
What
that.
they do that we like?
So what I like what a guy does is like when a guy is spontaneous. Like, oh my gosh. Because I'm just not a boring person and I like to do things.
Are we know somebody that's like good with your friends?
Ooh, if my friends don't like you, I swear to we can't talk. Like I'm so sorry. So I love when a guy, like when they come into a room or wherever
They
they
speak.
speak to all my friends, like be like, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? They give everybody a hug and then like they talk to me and stuff. Like, ooh, bro, I'm not gonna even say this. No, I'm gonna say it.
Say it. We not gonna pick no name.
Dude, we not saying no names, but there was this one dude, bro, my friend, my girlfriend right here, she needed help. And we asked her boyfriend, like, ooh, can you help her? So this is what he said. He was like, that's your friends, why not
He
help
said,
them?
no, what he said, quote, is what I look like helping your friends. Quote.
She was in a really bad situation and she needed help, but he was just being like, I don't know,
Petty
like,
and rude.
like that's
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What else y'all like about things that guys do that y'all like?
I like when they're good with kids.
Yeah.
Yes, that's so cute.
I
Not
know
even-
why dogs,
Yeah,
cats,
yeah.
like
Like if you like animals and like kids and stuff, like I'm not saying that like, oh, we're gonna get married, but I think it's just like, dang, you
it
have
shows
potential
that
to be
you
a
are
great
young.
person.
You know what's also attractive? I don't know if I'm just weird. But you know when you riding next to them and they driving and just how they like hold the wheel.
I know.
I find that so like it depends like how they hold the wheel. Like if they just like
With one now, with one
that's
hand.
cute. That's
one
cute.
hand voice is that.
But you gotta have
Like
good
big hands
music.
over
For me,
it.
you gotta
Oh.
have your music taste gotta be up to par.
And we gotta be
That's
like bouncing off
we
each
gotta,
other.
yeah, you gotta introduce me to some new stuff.
If
but
you
we
don't like
also
my
gotta
music-
vibe to the same thing.
Like if you're listening to trap music 25/8, like go away.
And,
Like,
and if
that's
I put
yeah.
something else on that I like
Yeah,
personally
don't
that you
complain.
might not like, don't say, oh, we gotta turn this off.
Yeah.
Oh my
Because I'm not gonna have fun.
I'm listening to some weird.
I'm gonna hate being with you. I'm gonna hate riding in the car with you because I can't listen to my music.
Basically, you gotta go from Bryson Tiller to 21 Savage to Hunter Hayes to Carrie.
Yes, Hunter Hayes. Oh,
To some Michael Bublé.
Yes.
and then some Disney,
Yeah. That's
some Demi,
Oh, some Disney.
some Hannah Miley, whichever one.
I love no. Another thing that I really love about boys, well, let me say men, is when a dude's sensitive and like he can talk about his feelings. Like, bruh, I want to know what you feeling. Like, just tell me.
I know, 'cause
that's what I'm looking for. Like, I'm looking for you to talk to me. I'm not looking for you to just be. I don't know. They be trying to act hard, bro.
I don't like guys.
Yeah.
You gotta be able to talk to me intellectually. You gotta have some conversation.
But the thing is, I want you to be sensitive with an Atlanta accent. You can be good, but you gotta have an Atlanta accent.
We gotta know you from
You gotta talk to
Atlanta.
me like, hey, shot like,
Or it gotta be like some Nigerian dude. Like, I'm thinking they mean African.
I don't discriminate.
That came out.
I love Nigerian dude, because I'm Nigerian. And
I like the people on the.
I'm Jamaican, so I like really anything Caribbean, African.
I like the ones below the border.
I don't know, just foreign dudes, not foreign, but like people who
I like
who
them
have
all.
parents who are like foreign.
If you're cute with great bone structure and you're taller than me, I probably think you're cute.
Does anybody else have anything more that they want to say?
I
just gotta be
out all
ambitious. You just gotta have
day.
dreams.
Because I like going places, and you gotta want to go places.
No.
No, I like chilling. You don't have to be able to like. You don't want to do.
No, that's not what I'm talking about.
Don't talk about
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Not for real.
No, I like chilling, but like I'm
chilling.
talking about like if you wanna go like for a hike,
Yeah.
go to the mountains, you know.
Yeah, like, just something different.
Just something different. Just
Like,
not
I
always
like
the
going to
same.
the
Like, I'm not trying to go to the
Like,
movies
no.
Every
day.
day.
I love the movies.
I love the
I'm not
movies.
trying to
Let's
do
go
that.
like.
But that's not a
something,
date
like,
all the
I don't
time.
know.
Yeah. I need somebody that's gonna better me.
Yeah.
Like, you have to better me. You can't be like a complete opposite of me, but you're gonna have to, like, we can better each other.
And you gotta be able to hold a conversation.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like not even just about like small stuff. Like you gotta be able to have like a voice that you want to be heard in the world. Like
Yeah.
like you gotta care about stuff that's going on in the world. Like don't
Yeah.
just be like, okay, like what that got to do with me?
Yeah.
Like, it's whatever.
And that just leads into how all girls like a guy who's ambitious. Like, let me just tell you guys who are watching. Like, if you ain't ambitious, like you ain't got no goals in life, no girl's gonna want you. So, I mean, there's the girls who do, but you know, majority of the girls want to do, like, who knows what they're trying to do. You don't always have to be up there. Like, I'm with you while you down too, but I want to know that you striving to be better or try to do something. Like,
Just having like an overall positive attitude.
Yeah.
Be like,
Yeah.
okay, maybe stuff's not going how it's supposed to go right now, but like it's gonna get better. Like I'm gonna figure it out. Like I'm not just gonna be sitting on the couch doing nothing. It's like I'm gonna make something of myself out of
nah,
it.
I'm not even gonna lie. That's why I love college. Like, bruh, it's
Because
just
you
so
already
much.
know.
Yes, like it's just so much dudes who like trying to do something. Like everybody's so great. Since I go to UGA, like I know most of the dudes here, like they eligible, like all eligible bachelor. Like you know, it's just like you're like not all, but whatever. Basically, just have ambition. Like just be striving to do something, and that goes for everyone, females too. Y'all finished our noodles, and y'all want to comment on how the noodles were?
They were delicious.
Yeah, I actually think they were really good.
You tried to kill me.
Like it tastes good.
It got me. It's really just the after effect. Like when you say it tastes sweet and it tastes good,
But it hits
but then
you.
like once it settles in, like it's like
Like right
slowly
now.
starts burning.
Like,
And it's like, ooh.
I stopped eating them a long time ago, and then I burped. Dear Jesus.
Yeah, I was killing it. 5 minutes later, it was killing me.
Laura ate 2 plates.
Yo.
Really though, I feel like the trick was like not to stop. Just like
Yeah,
just have
that's
the
how
sweet
you
stuff.
gotta do it.
Yeah.
But then it hits you all that.
Because once you
builds
stop,
up.
once it stops and it hits you, then it's like you don't want to keep going.
Yeah, once I put that plate down, it hit me, but y'all was hyping me up, so I was like, I can't show no
Yeah, but like, nah, y'all should really go ahead and purchase these spicy noodles. You can find them in any Asian store. They're
Your
like
local
actually,
Asian market.
yeah, like they're actually really good and delicious. They may be hot, so just drink some water with that. But
No
you know,
milk.
Shout out to DaniLeigh.
You
Yeah,
right. Drink
no.
some, drink some
They
milk with
tried to
that.
kill us for real. I'm only here
Yeah.
drinking Minute Maid.
Everybody comment what you were for Halloween down below. By the time you see this, it's gonna be afterwards because we filmed this the day before.
No, today's Halloween, girl. It's 12, but it's midnight. Anyway, so today is Halloween. That's why we filmed this video wearing our little Halloween costumes. This is not what I'm actually gonna wear out to the parties, but you know I had to put a little something on for the video. But yeah, thank you guys so much. This is my best friends over here. Hopefully that's what they think. But anyway, you know, this is like my group of friends here at UGA, and I love you so much. Thank you for watching our little Q&A.
So comment what y'all want to see from us. I know we probably not gonna have a lot of people watching this video because this is our first video, but for those who are out there, comment what you want to see from us down below, and we will do our best.
Yeah, we really appreciate any commentary, like,
Commentary.
yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all. My tongue is like burning right now.
Any suggestions, any, like, if you see anything wrong that you dislike, please let us know, because, like, we learning, we just, like, creating all this stuff, so, like, yeah.
It's a wrap. Ooh.
I love those words so much.